In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Grammarly browser extension for Chrome, Edge, or Safari and use it inside Asana. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is install the Grammarly browser extension in the web browser you normally use. This works with Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari, so choose the option that matches your setup. When you open your browser's extension store or download page, search for Grammarly and begin the installation. Depending on your browser, you may be asked to confirm that you want to add the extension. Go ahead and approve it, then give the browser a moment to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you should see the Grammarly icon appear near the top of your browser, usually beside the address bar or in the extensions area. After the extension is installed, the next step is to log into your Grammarly account through the extension itself. Click the Grammarly icon in your browser to open the sign-in window. From there, enter your account details and complete the login process. If your browser asks whether you want to keep the extension enabled or allow it to run on websites, make sure those settings are turned on so Grammarly can work properly while you write. Signing in through the extension is important because that's what activates your personalized writing suggestions across websites. Once you're logged in, open Asana in your web browser. If you're not already signed into Asana, log in as you normally would and navigate to the project, task, or workspace where you want to write. Grammarly works directly in supported text fields, so you don't need to change any Asana settings to begin using it. Now click inside any Asana task description field or any comment box. As soon as you start typing, Grammarly should begin checking your writing in real time. You may notice underlines or suggestion indicators appear as you write. These suggestions can help with spelling, grammar, clarity, and tone, which is especially useful when you're writing updates, assigning tasks, or leaving comments for teammates. If you want to review a suggestion, click on it and decide whether to accept the change or keep your original wording. If Grammarly doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh and click back into the text box. In many cases, that's enough to get it working. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to write in Asana with Grammarly assisting you automatically in the background, helping you create clearer and more polished communication as you work.